Starting with exercise 14.3, we have to carry out some divisions. Okay, so see what is given in question number 1. Carry out the following divisions: 28x4 divided by 56x. Now, what you can do, if divide sign is given, you can write it in fraction form also, like in upon form, 28x4 upon 56x. Now, what are the two numbers given here? 28 and 56. So, we can write it together. And what are the variables given? With numerator, variable is x4, and in denominator, what is the variable? That is x. So we will divide both the variables together. So here x to the power 4 divided by x. Now when you cancel out, see, x to the power 4 means how many times x? X is written 4 times. And in denominator, x is written how many times? In denominator, x is written 1 time. So 1x cancel out both from numerator and denominator. So how many x remaining left? Only 3x remaining left, which means x cube. So here we are having x cube remaining left. And when you will cancel out 28 and 56, 28 ones are 28 and 28 twos are 56. So here we are getting 1 by 2 x cube. This is the answer of first question. Okay. Now see what is given in second question. In second question, polynomial and monomial is given. Means in numerator we are having two terms and in denominator we are having one term. Okay, so we have to divide it. Now see what we have to do. 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x. If denominator is same for both the terms in numerator, we can separate the denominator as well as numerator. So what we can write it separately? 5x square upon 3x. What is the sign in between? In between sign is minus, so we can write minus. And second term 6x upon 3x. So here we have written 6x upon 3x. Okay. Now here is x to the power 2 and here is x. So when you will cancel out this term, you will get only 1x and 5 by 3 as it is. Now x and x cancel out from here, and 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So here you are getting 2. Okay. Now what we can do next? See, if this number is all alone, or we can say whole number, and this is in fractional form, so what we can do, we can multiply this two numbers. 3 twos are 6. So here we are having 6 and here we are having 5x. So we have written 5x as it is, and in denominator we are having 3. So we have taken out 1 by 3 as a common denominator. So what is the final resultant value? That is 1 by 3 in bracket 5x minus 6. So this is the answer of question number 2. Now see what is given in question number 3. This is our question number 3, and here it is given, work on the following divisions. Okay, so what we are having? 10x minus 25 divided by 5. Okay, now again we have to split the terms. 10x divided by 5 and 25 divided by 5. So what we are having? Or we can take out common also. 10 and 25 both comes in table of 5. So if we take out 5 common, so here is 5 twos are 10 and 5 fives are 25. And in denominator also we are having 5. So 5 cancel out. What is remaining left? 2x minus 5. So like this also you can solve option number, or we can say question number 3. In question number 4, what we are having? We are having 3 terms in numerator and 1 term in denominator. So see how we can solve this. This is our question number 4. Okay. So in numerator we are having 3 terms. This is our numerator in which we are having 3 terms, and this is our denominator in which we are having 1 term. So 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 we can cancel out, and what is remaining left? 5 into 3x plus 5. So here 5 into 3x plus 5. This is our answer number 4. Now what is given in question number 5? Factorize the following expression and divide them as directed. Okay. So see how we can divide this. Here it is written y square plus 7x plus 10 divided by y plus 5. Okay. Now what we have to do? This is the whole term given and we have to split its middle term. So 7 can be written as 5 plus 2, and when you multiply 5 into 2 you will get 10. Okay. So here we can write 7, 2 plus 5, and here we can write 10, 2 into 5. So what we can take out common? See, y square as it is. Y multiplied with 2, so 2y, and y multiplied with 5, so 5y. And here is 2 into 5 as it is. Okay. Now here what we can take out common? Here y we can take out common. So what is remaining left? Y plus 2. Okay. And here what is remaining left? If we can take out 5 common, y plus 2. So here is y plus 2 and here is y plus 5, and in denominator also we are having y plus 5. So this y plus 5 cancel out, and remaining left term is y plus 2. So this is y plus 2, and this is our answer for question number 5. Now see what is given in next question. In question number 5, option number 2. Okay. Same thing we have to do. We have to split the middle term. So 14 can be written as 16 minus 2. And when you will multiply 16 into 2, you will get 32. Okay. And last, what we are getting as resultant, m minus 16 first bracket, m plus 2 second bracket, and in denominator m plus 2 third bracket. So m plus 2 cancel out. At last, what we are having? We are having m minus 16. This is our final answer. So this is how we have completed this exercise.